Hello grade 2s and welcome back to another week of maths. We are looking forward to seeing you soon. The time is coming close now. So for this week we're going to start counting in fours. So please don't worry if you find this a little bit difficult. It is the first time that we are doing this. You will need a Koki pen or an erasable pen and your number charts, or you can just use your finger if you don't have a whiteboard marker at home. So you're going to start by counting in fours. And it doesn't matter if you go slowly and you count each number individually at the moment. So 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to put a dot. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40. If you find that you need to count because you're not too sure what number comes next, if you find that you need to count 1, 2, 3, 4, that's perfect. But just at the end of the counting for the day, go back and count 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40, so that you get into the habit of doing that. Now again, you're going back to your pack of work. You will see there each day there's different numbers that you have to count in between. Some days you're going forwards, some days you're going backwards. Please do it exactly this way every single day, and by the end of the week you will be much better at counting in fours. Good luck! So moving on to your tables for this week, we're going to play a similar game to what we've done a couple of weeks ago with our bonds. You're going to write on a piece of paper the numbers 0 to 12, and then you're going to choose a times table, either 2 or 5 or 10, and you're going to look in your pack of work to know which times table you're doing for which day. So I'm going to say, for example, I'm choosing the 10 times table, and I'm going to go. The number that I land on, I'm going to times by 10. 4. 4 times 10 is 40. And so I carry on until I've done all the numbers from 0 to 12. And then the next day you look on your pack of work and you do the next times table. Right, now the next bonds activity is a little bit of a competition. You will need something to write on and you will need something to time yourself on. I'm going to use my phone, and I'm sure lots of you will choose to use that as well. But if you don't have a phone, you can use your microwave timer or something else, or your watch even. So in your pack of work, it tells you what bond you're practicing for that day, and you're going to have a little bit of a competition against yourself. I'm going to take bonds of 12, and I'm going to write all the bonds of 12, starting with 12 plus 0 equals 12, and going all the way down to 0 plus 12 equals 12. And I'm going to see how quickly I can do it in. Let's go. See if you can beat my time when I'm finished here. Ready, steady, go. And so you carry on until you are finished. I ran out of space there, but you will carry on. Once you're finished, you will stop your timer, and the next day you can do the next bond and try and beat your time. See how fast you can do it with the most number correct, and you can keep practicing. So maybe I want to do this 3 times in one day and see if I can do better each time. I hope that you have fun with this.